Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
Shan,
Yes.
you told one time you are the number 3 well-known person in the world,
Yes.
which is I agree. Who are the other two?
I think it was Obama and Tiger Woods, and then me.
Very good. And as you know, Allen Iverson, which is your one of favorite player,
Yes.
is planning to go to Turkey. Do you support his plan to go to play? Do you think he should play in Turkey?
Yes, I wish him well, but my favorite Turkish players are Hidro Turkoglu and my teammate Semi. But I
Okay.
wish Allen Iverson very well.
Very good. I was going to ask next question about Semi. What do you think about Semi?
Great player. He's going to be one of the greatest players. He's working here with two great big.
What do you think? Do you think you are going to reach 6 rings? I want you to, I'm sorry, as a journalist, I shouldn't ask, but I want you to pass Kobe Bryant.
If I'm here 2 years, hopefully we can get 6, but we got to get number 5 first.
Definitely.
Yes.
And which means if you will not get this year, are you planning to continue more than 2 years to play?
Probably not.
But I want you to get 6 rings. I want you to pass him.
I'm going to try.
Inshallah. And for me, Shad, you are the best center ever for me. How about for you? Who is the best center?
Another Muslim brother, Hakeem Olajuwon.
Hakeem Olajuwon.
Yes,
Very
Hakeem
good.
Olajuwon.
I heard one time you are planning to go to Hajj. Is that true?
Yes, it's true, and I plan on going to Turkey with Brother Simi soon.
About Hajj.
Yes, I'm going to go to Hajj one day.
You are going
Yes,
to Hajj
yes,
also?
Yes.
Shad, thank you very much. And may Allah go to play. Do you think you should
هذا
sing
القرآن يوحدنا لطريق الخير يوجهنا الله تعالى